Welcome! In this video, I'm going to show you how the Price Drop landing page works. The Price Drop landing page is a lead generation tool built into your InCom real estate website. This landing page is designed to offer instant access to recently reduced listings and automatically send updates to leads about recently reduced listings in their area of interest. So here's how it works. When the prospect enters the area of their choice, it directs them to a page with a map that identifies the number of recently reduced listings in their selected area. When the user selects one of the red dots, it will show them how much the price of the home has dropped in the past few days. In order to see full details of this listing, as well as other listings in the area, they must register for your website. By filling out this form, your leads can get instant access to hidden recently reduced listings and get email updates every time the price of homes drop in the area. This tool is perfect for generating leads and making sure that you can offer valuable information and services that cannot be found anywhere else. This makes it a great landing page to use for online marketing such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads. To learn more about how you can use the Price Drop landing page for lead generation, feel free to contact us at 1-866-883-8951 option 1. Or join us during our webinars for tips and tricks on how to use your landing pages for lead generation opportunities through social media. You can subscribe to our webinars by sending an email to learning@incomrealestate.com.